How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am also fine.
What do you want to play?
I want to play cricket.
What do you want to cook?
I want to cook biryani.
What do you want to decrease?
I want to decrease everything.
What do you want to increase?
I want to increase everything.
What do you want to fly?
I want to fly aeroplane.
What should you make?
I should make biryani.
What could you fly?
I could fly aeroplane.
What do you need to watch?
I need to watch TV.
What do you need? What do you need to bring?
I need to bring everything. What can you eat?
I can eat everything.
What should you decorate?
I should decorate house.
What should you make?
I should make drawing.
What should you break?
I should break car.
What should you speed?
I should spread everything.
What should you play?
I should play cricket.
What should you see?
I should see TV.
What should you buy?
I should buy pencil.
What should you sell?
I should sell pen.
What do you want to break?
I want to break chair.
What do you like to break?
I like to break everything.
What do you like to eat?
I like to eat banana.
What do you want to teach?
I want to teach English.
What do you want to watch?
I want to watch TV.
What do you want to see?
I want to see everything.
What do you want to operate?
I want to operate phone.
What do you want to catch?
I want to catch everything.
What do you want to drink?
I want to drink water.
What can you eat?
I can eat banana.
What can you explain?
I can explain everything.
What can you prepare?
I can prepare phone.